of the things that I think we're working to try and to work around or avoid, if you will, is this notion that it's either this or that. Culture and strategy are both important. That phrase resonates with people because culture, of those two elements, culture is the one that's largely neglected.
If it feels like work, it's a very different energy and effort and motivation than it's when it feels like contribution. It's this concept of like integration, how we are in work, how we are in life, the integration of our values and our principles, so to speak. And within a project, the integration of the human factor.
When we're looking at metrics in the workplace, we tend to measure the things that are easy to measure rather than the ones that are valuable. We put these 5 elements in an order, and I think that order is really important because there's so much that we can do as individuals to prepare ourselves to be a valuable contributor to that ecosystem, to that machine, to deliver value. And a lot of that means overcoming some pre-existing barriers, connecting with yourself personally and understanding your values. If you don't know your values, how can you possibly align those values to those of the organization or recognize if there's a gap? That is something that we can apply to projects as well. And a big part of that is a recognition that it's humans, you and I, working together to solve a problem, and we are not interchangeable widgets.